Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Canon Apron. Welcome to our home. Let my little girl Sarah in. Today I want to do a project. Many years ago, Tom and I would go yard selling, and we would find a little this, a little that. Well, we found this old quilt rack, and I used it for a while. Then I got tired of looking at it because back then I didn't know what to do with it. Now I do. I have some chalk paint, and I'm gonna paint it up and throw a quilt on it. So what I've done so far is, let me get you guys down here to where you can see it. What I've done so far is I tightened up all of the screws. Now, it only had 3 of these little wood plugs in it. If I find some more, then I'll get them and replace all of it. But in the meantime, I just went ahead and pulled those out, and I've already tightened up all of these screws that's in here. Had plenty of them, some in the bottom. But now I have some cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner from Grove Collaborate that I'm going to use. That and an old cloth. And I'm just going to clean it and let it dry. I've had this stored up underneath the bed for the guest room bed for I would say probably 5 or 6 years. So yeah, I think we only gave like $1 for it. But let's see if we can't spiffy it up a little bit and put it back to use. Give it a little bit of glory back in its days here. I'm going to use the chalk paint elephant color. Elephant. Obviously, that means it's going to have a gray color to it. But just want to get it clean. Make sure there's no little fuzzies on it. I don't know how underneath those beds can get those dust bunnies, right? So there we go. There's that. Now, I don't think I need to let it, I don't think I need to do any kind of sanding on it. I think it's going to be okay. Hope it will. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my paint and probably going to put something down on the floor here so I don't make a horrible mess. And then I'll be right back. Okay, what I did is this is a piece of the foam board that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and look at that. That's set on there perfect. So I'm gonna get you guys set up over here, and I'm just gonna start painting. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start painting, but now I'm just gonna go like from here up, and then I'll do the bottom part. That way I don't get paint all over me as I'm trying to reach it. And again, this is the Elephant Waverly chalk paint. And I'm using this sponge brush, again, from Dollar Tree. So, alright, fingers crossed that this is going to work. You know what though? I think I'm going to turn it over on its side. Yeah, there we go. I like that. And I still have, it's just the height is just right on the foam board. So, better? Better. I'm going to probably put 2 coats of paint on here. I'm not sure yet. But where did that hair come from? I do not know. Ought to clean that up real good. This paint's going on very well. I'm hoping it will all over it. In some areas it is a little rough. I probably should have sanded it, but I just did not want to do that. Makes a mess. That's why I didn't want to do it, honestly, because it makes a mess. Well, that's Sarah. She likes running in and out when I do things and barks, trying to figure out why I won't just run back over there and let her back in. Yeah, I used to see people painting wood and I was just like, oh, I can't believe you're doing that. But after a while of not knowing what to do with a piece of furniture or something that you really don't want to get rid of, and I really don't want to sand this all down and stain it. I really don't. I'm kind of coming around to this painting option. So I'm thinking I might like the paint now. Painting the wood. See, I'm glad I had that down because I just would have got that on my counter. I would have got it on my counter just then, sure enough. And I was watching Our Green Acre, I think is the name of it. I was watching her paint something. Was it her? Was it her or was it the Magnolia Housewife? One of them. I don't know for sure. Can't recall. I like watching all that kind of stuff. So, but one of them was like, let me run and get my hairdryer and dry this right quick so I can put another coat on there. And I was like, you can use hairdryers on this paint to make it dry faster? Well, I'm all about that if it's necessary. Now, had I known that when I was doing my little book project, that would have been awesome, because it took a while for that stuff to dry. Okay, now, let me see if I can get this turned over. Probably should have left something available to grab. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here, y'all sit right there. Should have left something available to grab. That would have made this easier to flip over. I'm going to have to let Sarah in. She's just standing there looking at me. Now if I can't find any of those little wooden plugs, which I'm pretty sure I saw some at the Dollar Tree, or if you don't have any, whatever, if you don't want to get any wood filler, if you've got it, will work wonderfully. Just put it in, and now it will require some sanding, but that will work just the same. I'm going to go ahead and paint this part of these dowel rods. I don't know why I didn't paint all of it a while ago, but I'm doing it now. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish painting this, and then we'll figure out what I want to do with it. Okay, it's the next day. Sorry about that, y'all. I got a little busy with other stuff, but you know, I got the paint and thought I was going to go ahead and paint this quilt rack black, but I think I like it with just the elephant gray. What's your thoughts? What do you think? I like it. I think my little quilt throw there looks great on it. Yeah. I think I'm going to leave it just as it is for now. You know, when you're making and crafting and this and that, you like to just leave it there and see if it fits. And right now, I think it fits. I'm going to end this back here in my little comfy room. I just get the most comfortable feeling back here. I do. But y'all, enjoy your day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.